guys, welcome back to Poor Consult's YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to add MetaMask to your browser. So for those of you who are wondering what the hell MetaMask is, let me bring you up to speed. MetaMask is one of dozens of applications that let you interact and access decentralized applications. And so decentralized applications are basically those applications that are built on the blockchain. With the help of different programming languages such as Solidity, Rust, and etc. Developers are building applications, and since they are on the blockchain, they are decentralized. And in order to interact with those applications, you need to have a gateway to them. And one of those gateways is MetaMask. Okay, so prior to inventing or founding MetaMask in 2015, people had to provide their private keys each time they need to interact with decentralized applications, and that process is quite risky because whoever has your keys has access to your entire crypto assets, and that's why people try to think about ways of overcoming that problem, and Aaron Davis in 2015 invented MetaMask. Since then it became much easier to interact with dapps. So in this video it might seem to most of you quite easy, but since you are watching this video means you need to know how to do it, and I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way to install MetaMask and also show you how to interact with those dapps using MetaMask. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we go to Google. I'm gonna go through the whole process with you. Since I don't have MetaMask, I've deleted it, and I'll show you step by step how to do it. We type in Google, add MetaMask to Chrome. We click on MetaMask, and then we say add to Chrome. We say add extension. We wait a second or two, and it will be ready. Cool. Alright, we don't want to sync anything. MetaMask is ready. Then we click on welcome to MetaMask, get started. We can have two options, import wallet, create a wallet. Since we don't have a MetaMask wallet yet, so we choose a create wallet option. In here, help us improve MetaMask, all this, okay, I agree, no worries. Now we need to come up with the password, and so you write down yours, I'm writing mine, and then again, and then I've read and agreed to the terms of use, even though I haven't. create. Okay, what is this? Next. Alright, now this is the most important part. You are given a secret recovery phrase. Don't show this recovery phrase to anyone. If they have this phrase, then they can get access to all your funds and steal it. Okay, nobody can prevent them from doing it. This is decentralized, so there is no bank or any other entity that you can call and complain, and they can help you recover your cash, your funds, I mean your crypto. If it's gone, it's gone. So the only way for people to steal assets from you is by obtaining somehow the recovery phrase. So write it down somewhere on a paper. Don't keep it on computer or on the internet or any other cloud spaces. Just write down on the paper and then store it somewhere you are feeling safe to keep your documents and papers, passwords, and your money. Basically, this recovery phrase is your money. So I'm gonna stop the video right now. I'm gonna write down for myself on the paper, and then we're gonna continue right from there. So I have written down my seed phrase. I hope you too. And now we can see the MetaMask window in front of us. Let's explore it and see how it looks like. So on the top, on the right top corner, you see Ethereum mainnet, meaning that by default we are on Ethereum mainnet. We see our balance. We have three options here. Let's just forget about swap option at first. We have buy, send, and then we have the balance. Assets, activity. Since we haven't done any transactions yet, activity is empty. For assets, we have 0 ETH. Let's come here, and then we can see that, so one seed phrase that we have created is MetaMask wallet, and the seed phrase that you have written down, it can contain many accounts, as much as you want. You can just click on create account and you can have lots of accounts. Well, I have already created one, but I'm gonna create one more for you. We can create account 3, or you can name it as you wish here, and then click on create, and that's it. Now we got 3 accounts. Okay, so each account has a pair of public key and private key. Public key, but you can see right in front of you, it's equivalent to the account number, which you can send to anyone you wish for them to make a transaction to you. but this wallet, this public key has an associated private key as well. How to see the private key? You come on here, click in here, and then account details. It has export private key. If you click on it, you will be prompted to type in your password, and then you will see the private key. So you might ask, well, why do I need a private key? How about the seed phrase? So the seed phrase contains all these accounts, okay, but each account has its own private key. So let's say you want to export this account to another wallet, to another device, or whatever you want to do, you can just export the private key. And remember, the public key, actually the private key is enough. You can export the private key of this certain account 3, and have it with you on the paper. Let's say if it contains a lot of Ethereum or a lot of Mac crypto on it, you can just separately export it and keep it for yourself. But the seed phrase, by default, if you lose your access to this device and then you want to recover, that seed phrase will recover all these accounts. But again, for the account 1, it will recover 100%. For the other accounts, I have heard sometimes an issue saying that it only recovers the first account. So if you have many accounts and you have a lot of cash on it, a lot of crypto on it, my advice is to export separately the private key of that certain account and store it in a safe place. Okay, so that's it. But for the first account, definitely you don't need any private keys. The seed phrase is definitely 100% enough. Okay, so I've shown you how to create new accounts, and now I'm gonna show you how to add new networks. So we are now in the network section. We are operating on Ethereum mainnet, but as I said, there are lots of networks that are Ethereum virtual machine compatible, meaning that you can add those networks in Metamask, and the decentralized applications that are built on those networks can be accessed easily through Metamask as well. And some of those networks are very famous, such as Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Polygon. All these can be added to Metamask, and then can be interacted with protocols and decentralized applications that are built on those chains. Of course, each of them has their own wallets as well, but Metamask is very convenient, very fast, very user-friendly, so you would like to add to Metamask as well those chains. So click on Add Network. Here we have some options to fill in how to do it. We can go to Google, and then we can type in Add Smart Chain to Metamask. Actually, I'm gonna leave all these links down below under this video, so you can later on access them easily. We click on it, we come this page, and then we scroll down until we find here, you see mainnet. We are on the mainnet. Testnet is for developers. We are on the mainnet. It also processes, this is the one you're looking for, so let's add it together. Smart chain, we copy and just paste it there. Network name, we come on here, new RPC URL, copy paste, chain ID, I think it's 56, yep, 56, copy, paste it in there. And then we have the symbol, which is BNB. Okay, and finally we have Block Explorer URL. That's it. Let's copy it there, click on save. Wow, so fast. And now we have our smart chain installed. If we click on here, we can see there are two networks, Ethereum and smart chain. And yeah, and then we can, it doesn't matter on which account we are, since we are on the smart chain, each account operates on smart chain as well. So this account, you see account 3 or any other account, account 2, this account is the same. The address, the private key and the public key are the same. They are independent of whatever chain you are on. Okay, the only difference is that if with the same account you are on Ethereum mainnet, and then you make transactions, let's say you send money or interact with decentralized applications or send money to one of your friends, then you need to pay fees, the transaction fees, which is called gas. You need to pay the gas fee in ETH, which is very high. You know it, right? Ethereum is congested nowadays. But for example, smart chain is very cheap. So if you are on the smart chain with the same address, okay, then the transactions are very cheap. So pay attention and remember it. Okay, so now this is all for the basic MetaMask installation and description of these accounts. And now I'm gonna show you how to receive and how to send funds from MetaMask and how to interact with decentralized applications. In our case, we're gonna use a dapps. Alright guys, thanks for making it so far, and in this final part 3 I'm gonna show you how to receive funds in your wallet and how to interact with other decentralized applications. In our case, we're going to use a DEX, a pancake swap DEX, to make an exchange within different coins and tokens on smart chain network. So first of all, we need, our balance is empty, so we need to find some BNBs to pay gas, right? Without that we can't do any transaction. The balance is 0, so we have nothing to pay for transactions. We have nothing to pay as a gas fee, right? So first of all, we need to get BNB. You can get it on the Binance, but if you get it on Binance, be careful, because I mean there this Binance, we have two token standards, right? We have BEP2, and we have another token standard which is BEP20. All right, BEP20, and this BEP20 standard stands for the smart chain. Okay, so that's what we need. If you buy BNB in Binance and then you withdraw, make sure you don't choose ERC20. Definitely don't choose ERC20. This is for Ethereum mainnet. Don't go for BIP2, go for BEP20. All right, this for smart chain. But what we do, we already, what do we already got some in one of my other wallet addresses. We got some BNB there. So first of all, let me copy the address. So we copy the address first from here, just clicking on it, and then we go back, we click on send, we paste the address there, the amount, how much we want to send, click on max, I'm gonna send it all, and then we click on next. So here we have the gas. You see it's almost nothing, like really like pennies that I'm paying. I'm sending this much and I am paying that much, so these are pennies. One BNB today, as per the time of the shooting the video, is like $310. So we click on confirm. It doesn't ask for any password or something like that, and it's signed the contract for us, signed the transaction for us. And if we go back and we just refresh the page, let's do it now. It takes like 5-10, yeah, how many seconds it took, like 5 seconds. You see, so cheap and so fast, smart chain. Now we have money to play around. What we do, we go to pancakeswap.finance. okay, you can, this is the PancakeSwap. This is a decentralized exchange based on Binance Smart Chain, just like Uniswap. Which on the PancakeSwap, we click on connect wallet, which is Metamask. The Metamask window pops up asking us which wallet we want to connect to. Since we have our funds on account 2, then we choose account 2 and then click on next, connect. It connects our account. Now we are connected. Now we can go to trade and then swap. In here, see, we need to choose BNB here. Let's type in the amount that says 0.01. we need to exchange, and then we have cake, or we can choose any other cryptocurrency, I mean tokens, any other tokens, BEP20 standard tokens that we want to exchange to. Let's say we want to exchange to BUSD. Okay, so our 0.01 BNB can buy $3. It's worth $3. So we click on swap. The window comes up, pops up, asking us, telling us the price, the minimum received, because there's a slippage, which I'm going to explain on later on how these decentralized pools operate. Not now. For now, we just click on accept, confirm swap. Again, another, we need to sign the transaction because it will withdraw funds from our wallet, right? So we need to confirm. With our confirmation, nothing can be done. This is the beauty of MetaMask. And then we click on close transaction receipt. If we click on it, we'll go to BinanceScan.com, which I'm gonna cover in the next video also, but here just for you to see that the transaction is confirmed without any details now. And if we go back to our exchange, or even without going there, just open up our wallet, we'll see that we have in the activity, we have one swap that took from us 0.01 BNB, and in the asset section, oh, we don't have anything. And why is that? Does it mean that we lost our money? Oh no, we didn't. We have it. How do I know that? Okay, let's copy it. We come to Binance Smart Chain. Okay, let's explain it in here. We come to the main page, we paste our address, we click on search, and then we see that we have this much of BNB, but we also have Binance Peg BUSD. I mean US dollars that we bought, yeah, BUSD. It's there, so we have it. Then you might ask why it doesn't show in the wallet. Why is it empty? It's because you haven't added this token to your wallet. You can, what you do, first of all, you come here, this BUSD, right? So we type in here BUSD. Here we are. So Binance BUSD, we need to copy the contract address right in here, and then we go back, we click on import tokens, we paste the address of BUSD. You see it automatically pops, writes for you token symbol, decimals, and then add custom token, import. Now we have imported it, and now in the asset section we can observe our amount of BUSD that we have and BNB. So if you exchange or someone sends to you a token that you don't have in your wallet, you haven't added it yet, don't be scared, there's nothing lost. In order to check, you just copy your address as I have shown. You go to bscscan.com, paste it in there, see if it's there or not. If it is there, just copy the contract address, add it to Metamask, and you will be able to see all the tokens and coin, I mean BNB, and everything that you have in your wallet. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching the video. I think that everything must be clear so far. If not, leave a comment, ask a question. Poor Consult is always here to help you. Yes, as we say on our website, actually all these transactions you could have done in our website also. We have in the DEX section, you can just connect your wallet, and all these three chains, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, are available. So you can come to our website and do this exchange right from there. Anyway, it's based on Pancake Swap, so you have the same price. And while here you can have lots of other stuff to do, which is the topic of another video. For now, that's all. Thanks for watching, and hope it helps. Goodbye.